Snowy dances gracefully among the vibrant butterflies, painting the garden with fluttering hues. The colorful garden becomes even more colorful with Snowy and butterflies. Fearless explorer Shadow charts a route for himself on a mysterious and secret path. He is looking for new adventures in unexplored parts of the garden. Snowy and Shadow are in peaceful harmony, a dream duo, as they share a sunny afternoon nap. The two brothers were enjoying the best hours of the day. Magical creatures weave stories of kindness, painting the canvas of life with untold lessons. Shadow and Snowy are learning great lessons. The shining sun bears witness to the joyous play as Snowy and Shadow play a game of tag, echoing with laughter. It is a game that adds pleasure to every moment. Siblings bond more with each other by playing together. A magical fountain reveals wonders. The kittens' faces light up with the glow of discovery. They continue to explore the garden and learn new things. The majestic tree looked like it could never be climbed, but was conquered by Snowy with Shadow's helping paw. Snowy's rise to new heights was with the help of his older brother. The beauty of nature frames a pleasant picnic environment. Laughter and joy abound. Siblings are enjoying being together in this beautiful weather and delicious food. Two brothers spending time together at home and enjoying the beautiful weather. They were having fun visiting all the rooms. Compassion blooms in Snowy and Shadow's gentle hearts as a lost bird guides them home. They help him find his way. The magical garden is bursting with vibrant colors, a kaleidoscope of nature's celebration. At the same time, everywhere was filled with the scent of beautiful flowers. Shadow befriends a group of rabbits. A gentle bond formed in the lap of nature. As their adventures get better every day, they continue to make new friends. Their joy increases exponentially when Snowy and Shadow uncover a treasure chest full of happiness. The inside of the chest is full of colorful stones and glass. Kittens who embrace gratitude have hearts filled with appreciation for life's precious moments. Many friends have already accumulated many memories in their beautiful gardens. Cute whispers shared in the warm corner become secrets shared in the language of friendship. The bonds of brotherhood become stronger day by day. Their togetherness overflows with happiness. Snowy and Shadow host a magical tea party. Kittens and their friends gather for delicious treats, and the joyful moments continue to increase. Another joyful day ends with a tea party. A friendly paw reaching out to a shy squirrel fosters a friendship in the heart of nature. Shadow becomes friends with this shy but very cute squirrel, and the happiness of making a new friend fills his heart. Snowy's graceful leaps resemble an elegant ballet scene in the enchanting garden scene, enjoyably jumping from side to side in the garden. Kittens who find the golden keys that open the door to the magical garden, given by magical creatures, help other cats to come to the garden. They also share the happiness in the garden with other cats. Covered in the warm tones of the setting sun, Snowy and Shadow share heartwarming embraces and continue to experience happy moments. While the puppy's day ends, our tale ends with happy moments. See you in the next fairy tale, kids.